the Society of Motor Manufacturers and Traders test day here at Millbrook, and they got a lot of nice cars for us to go and test drive, so we thought we'd pick a list. And one of the cars that we thought we'd have a go at was this new Kia Stinger. It's a bit different from Kia. I've never driven one before, but this is this rear-wheel drive kind of a V6 or a diesel. So the one available to us was the diesel, so we thought we'd give it a go. So like a lot of the cars here today, it's all there's not many manuals, so it's all flappy paddle or auto. So I think with a car belying this kind of leisurely big driver, we'll leave it in auto mode and see how we get on. So let's see how this big old bus goes. And we're out on the mountain course now. It really is an incredible piece of track. Quite rough in places, but I mean, you know, it's realistic. Whoa! It's a big old car, this. Good fun though. It pulls beautifully. Just trying to be nice and precise with it. Certainly not a time for a manual and kind of messing around with your gear changes and trying to get it all right. In the right car, that would be beautiful, but I think with this, it's just a matter of concentrating on your line and trying to get it right. Just brake and let the gearbox do its thing. Bit of a little bit of chatter on the wheels when you're trying to get the power down. Then it's quite a grunty old diesel. Not a bad place to be. I mean, this is like most modern cars, I suppose. It's you sit in here and you bring your key in, you press the button, and then you think, well, how do I turn the radio off? And there's so much going on in here. You could take a week, I think, trying to learn how to set the car up. But then maybe, like most modern cars, once it's set up for how you want, what radio station you want to listen to, and the air con and stuff like this. Oh, she didn't kick down quick enough then. Which is a bit annoying. Maybe I'll need to find the manual. Lost a bit of ground. Oh, there's this, damn, I'm not brave enough to jump that. One thing is quite neat, I've just realised this, is actually projects your speedo up onto the windscreen. That's really nice to see. So I'm looking out now and I can see exactly what speed I'm doing, and it's quite nicely focused for kind of your longer sighted. So it's there right in front of you, no need to look down. I can see exactly what we're doing. Right, we're in sport mode now, so I think we've got flappy paddle. So let's see what flappy paddle in a Kia diesel Stinger's like. That's better. I can now I've got it in sport mode, I can just leave it in a gear and let it hang on a bit. A little bit slow on the down changes sometimes, but a habit of with these boxes of changing when you don't want it to. This is a sharp one, so let's get it down. It's a bit better. Last time it chugged a bit and was in the wrong gear. I seemed to trip it up a bit. I think we'll call that it. That's quite surprising actually. I quite enjoyed that. It's something new, it's something different. It's quite well appointed, and I dare say money wise it's pretty well on the button. Whether you buy something like this new or a second hand Audi or a BMW really is up to your choice. But Kia and all these other companies from the Asian markets nowadays, I bet the warranty on these is absolutely huge. Very good customer service, and if that's the kind of thing you're looking for, with a different badge, with a bit of comfort, then not a bad car.